Very good morning, children. So today we are going to continue our exercise 2.4, starting with 7th problem, being the question which it carries or which occupies so much of space. I am not writing the question, but first let me help you how to understand this question. So please look at the board carefully. Hassan buys two kinds of cloth materials for school uniform. Okay. Shirt material that costs him rupees 50 per meter. So let us take this question into two cases. First one is about buying. Okay, bought. In this we have two more areas. Okay, one is cost, or else first one cloth. Okay, and the second one cost. Look. So, and this is first what he had bought, school material, shirt. Okay, shirt, and the other one is trouser. Look, Hassan buys two kinds of cloth materials for school uniforms. Shirt material that costs him rupees 50 per meter. Okay, shirt material that costs him rupees 50 per meter. Okay, next, and trouser material that costs him, and the trouser costs him rupees 10 per meter. Trouser material costs him 10 per meter. Now let us continue. For every 3 meters of shirt material, he buys 2 meters of trouser material. Look, for every 3 meters of, but we don't know how much is the total amount of shirt material he bought. So we are taking this as 3x, because for every 3 meters of shirt, he buys 2 meters, that means 2x. Hope you are clear. Okay. So for example, if he buys 30 meters of shirt material, he buys 20 meters of trouser material. Like that we have to assume. But as we don't know what exactly is the total length of shirt and trouser material he bought, we are taking shirt material as 3x according to the question and trouser material as 2x. This is amount of cloth. 3x and 2x is the amount of cloth bought, and this is for that shirt how much is the cost per meter. Now look, the same continues with selling also. So the other case, after buying this amount of cloth at this cost, he started selling that material. Here he made one thing, that in this case, look, he sells the material at 12% and 10% of profit. That means the same cloth, without making any pieces or something, the same amount of cloth is going to be sold. Shirt 3x meters and trouser also the same. Trouser 2x meters. But the problem is, he added some profit to this cost price in order to incur profit. He added some amount. Let us check how it is going to be. Okay. So for shirt, what he did, he sells the materials at 12% and 10% profit respectively. That means 3x is pointing to shirt and 2x is pointing to trousers. So similarly 12% should be pointed to shirt. Here please be careful, that percentage is pointing to amount only, not the cloth. Okay, that profit is going to be on the cost price. So look, originally it is 50 rupees per meter. Plus on this he is going to add 12% profit. 12% of profit. On 50 rupees only he will make the profit. So which is going to be 50 plus 12% of 50. So percent means by 100, of means into 50. So 50 ones are 50 twos are 2 ones are 2 6 are 50 plus 6 is equal to rupees 56 per meter. That means this 3x meters of cloth is going to be sold at rupees 56 per meter. This is with shirt. Now what about the trouser? Trouser, the cost is going to be 90 rupees. On it, 90 plus, he wants to incur 10% profit on this 90. So 90% of, 10% of 90. So 90 plus 10% means 10 by 100. Off means 90. Okay, 0, 0 gets cancelled. 0, 0 gets cancelled. 90 plus 9 is equal to rupees 99 per meter. Hope you got the point. In the given question we have amount of cloth and cost to purchase this amount of cloth is also given. This is the bought case. On the other side, when he wants to sell the same material, he wants to add some profit to the cost prices. That is this. Same amount of cloth he is going to buy. Sell. 50 plus 12% of 50, we got rupees 56 per meter. 90 plus 10% of 90, we got rupees 99 per meter. Now, using that case, continue the question. The total sale, his total sale is, now look, given total sale is equal to, given total sale is equal to rupees 36,600. Okay, 36,600. Total sale is equal to 36,600. Then what does it mean by total sale? Amount of shirt cloth into the cost, amount of cloth used for trouser into the cost per meter. I will show you, look. 3x. This is the amount of cloth he bought for shirt at the rate, how much rate? Rupees 56 plus 2x. This is the amount of cloth he is going to sell as a trouser material at a cost of 99 per meter. So 99 is equal to 36,600. So this is going to be 168x plus 198x is equal to 36,600. So being the like terms, we can add this, which results 366x is equal to 36,600. Okay. So we want only the value of x, which is going to be 36,600 divided by, because this x is in multiplication here, if we transpose, it will become division, 366. So total 100 times we can get this. So the value of x is equal to 100. Okay, the value of x is 100. Children, please be careful. Write this one and this one side by side up to here, and down to that you copy this, and down to this you please copy this one. Okay, everything should be there in the solution. So we got the value of x as 100. Now what exactly is being asked in the question? How much trouser material? Look, what is the trouser material he bought? 2x. Therefore, trouser material trouser material he bought is equal to, how much is the trouser material he bought? 2x. That means 2 into x, that is equal to 200 meters. So through this what we understood is he bought 200 meters of cloth for trouser. Hope you are quite clear. Just as a quick understanding purpose, I want to repeat it again. Look. So there is a person who bought some amount of cloth. Even it is not given how many meters and of shirt or how many meters of trouser is bought. Whereas he has given a hint that for 3 meters of shirt, he bought 2 meters of trouser. Hence we took it is 3x meters and 2x meters. While he bought the materials, the cost he kept on 3x meters of shirt is rupees 50 per meter and 2x meters of trouser is rupees 90 per meter. This is the situation when he bought the material. The same material, look, 3x, 3x, 2x, 2x, the same material he want to sell at a different cost by keeping some profit. In shirt, he want to get 12% of profit. So, it became 56 per meter. In trouser, he want to incur 10% of profit. So, it became 99 per meter. Now, by selling this thing and this thing at these rates, they are saying that he got this much amount of money, 36,600. Now, look, what is this total sale is going to be 3x amount of cloth at the rate, that is 3x into 56 plus amount of cloth at the rate 2x into 99 is equal to 36,600. Upon solving the value of x, we got 100. They asked us to find what is the material he bought for trouser, that is 2x. So 2x, 2 into 100, which makes us 200 meters. Please copy it carefully. Now let us move to next question. Okay, now the 8th one, very easy. If you can understand the question, the solution is going to be very easy. Look, half of a herd of deer, that means group of deer, half are grazing in the field and 3/4 of the remaining, this statement is very important, 3/4 of the remaining are playing, the rest 9. Okay, after this 3/4 of the remaining, some will be left over, isn't it? Those are equal to 9, they are drinking. They are asking find the total number of deer. For that, as we don't know the number of deer, as usual, let the number of deer is equal to x. Let the number of deer is equal to x. Half of x. Therefore, half of x is equal to, or as half of deer is equal to 1 by 2 x, isn't it? Or x by 2, both are same, or x by 2. Now look, so what is the number of deer we are left with? X by 2, because half of the deer are already grazing. Therefore, okay, you better write grazing. Therefore, remaining deer is equal to, in total x, half are grazing. What will be the remaining? Another half, that is x by 2. Okay. In this, 3/4 of the remaining, 3/4 of remaining, then number of deer playing is equal to 3/4 of remaining. 3/4 of remaining. What is remaining? 3/4 of x by 2, because we have the remaining deer as x by 2 here. So which is going to be 3x by 8 or 3 by 8x. Look. Remaining deer is x by 2. In it 3 by 4 are playing. What will be the leftover? Therefore, the number of deer drinking is equal to, look, in 3 by 4 of half remaining are playing, what will be the leftover? 3 by 4, 1 by 4 of x by 2. Look carefully. Remaining is x by 2. In it 3 by 4 are playing. What will be the leftover? 1 by 4. Isn't it? 3 by 4 are playing means the leftover 1 by 4 are drinking. 1 by 4 into x by 2, which is equal to x by 8. Okay. They are saying that this is equal to 9. Okay. Given. Because it was clearly given that the rest 9 are drinking. So drinking is equal to x by 8, which is equal to 8. Therefore, x is equal to the value of 8. If we transpose to the other side, it has to go to multiplication. That is equal to 72. Now you tell me, what is originally x? Number of deer. Therefore, number of deer is equal to 72. Look. First part, number of deer we took x. They given that half are grazing. That means x by 2. What will be if half are grazing means remaining half will be x by 2. In this x by 2, 3 by 4 are playing. So what will happen? The other leftover will be 1 by 4. So 1 by 4 of half is equal to x by 8. They gave that this value is equal to 9. Hence x is equal to 9 into 8, 72. Therefore the total number of deer is equal to 72. Hope you are clear. That's all for today. Have a great day.